Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video which will be guiding you to download Google Contacts in your Android device. Trust me, Google Contact is absolutely a must-have in your phone. It keeps your phone contact backed up and synced to all your devices. You can automatically save device contact as Google Contacts. It safely backs up the contact in your Google account to the cloud. It is utmost necessary to secure your phone contact, and Google Contacts is merely the safest and trustworthy place to do it. So with no further delay, let's get started. First of all, just make sure you have good internet connection. Then get started by clicking on Google Play Store. Then tap on the search box and type Google Contact onto it. And instantly this screen will appear on your device. Tap on the install button. Well, this is how you install Google Contacts in your Android device. Trust me, this process is the easiest. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe the channel. Comment down below for any feedbacks. I'll soon be back with more tutorial video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you later.